Hello, this is Arabella from Arabella's Heart for Book Art. Welcome to my channel. I want to show you my altered book that I was working in, and I just wanted to show you my progress so far. So this is a new idea I have to make an altered book, and this page to make it shabby chic. As you know already, I am working on and I completed my shabby chic kit, and it's still possible to give me some ideas to put into it as an extra something, an add-on or something that you really would like to be in that kit. But I also wanted to show you this new idea. So I made this sort of a shabby chic altered book page. So this has poetry pictures. I don't know how you call that still. In Dutch it's called pussyplaatjes. So I used this one. This was a card that I printed, and this is from my new shabby chic kit. I think it will be called Care's Choice, Care's Chic Choice, chic. And here are the three smaller envelopes that I designed for that kit. So this I tore up all book pages, and this is just from my envelope. I cut off the side flaps and then put it in like this. This already was here. So this card, this was from this book was discontinued from the library, so I didn't care for it. It's about ghosts, so I don't like things like that, so I didn't mind to alter this. So this also folds out. This is my gel print. I did some gel printing with what do you call it? Ecolina. I keep forgetting the name. Ecolina. I don't know why. And the next page, I started to make a green page. So I really have to get my other book, because, well, I made my drawing that I did from a lady. This is the original one. So I really like it with that flower behind it. This I made with papers that I got from my sister Karin, so she got that for me, and then I made this this book from all envelopes. Here is my new idea that I have to make, and here something I can use. So this is a glassine envelope, I see, and here is a gel print booklet that I want to make, all different shapes. Here I can write in it, and I can put stuff in it, and actually this is a stash book, and that is what it is now. So here I have some cutouts from ads, and all different kinds of ad stuff. Here's a week planner, so I can plan stuff. Here is a gel print on cardboard, to-do lists, and so I wanted to do something with this drawing, but when I printed it, it came out a little bit green. And so this was the start of my green page. So just because I printed out her funny, because I am having printer issues. I don't know why, but first green, then it came out to pink, and I put in new ink, so I don't know why. So here I want to make 2 pockets. I already Mod Podged these together, so these are 4 pages, 4 pages. And my next page I did sew. I sewed, and here this is funny because I found this image in a magazine, in an art magazine, and this also, and I made sort of a list around it, frame I mean, and here I cut out something funny, and here it says a big fat kiss. Isn't that funny? So here it says dikke, but that's mean a big fat kiss. So I thought that was so funny, and I have more of these images from people. I don't know the artist, I forgot it, but I will look it up and then tell you when I looked it up if I can find it. But he drew from pictures, so these are how do you call that, paintings that he did. So isn't that funny? This is one of my favorites. So the shine, that's from, it's shining from the Mod Podge. So I did a transfer, and I also stamped in different colors, and this is just from the same art magazine that I cut out, and here as well. Yeah, this is really one of my favorites. I like that image from that lady that I didn't make. And then the random letter and the round, yeah, I like this, the whole thing. And here, yeah, I'm not really fond of this one, but it is funny with those ladies, and I cut this out and then made it, did it higher, and then this one is also from this from the same magazine, so from the same art magazine I used. But I don't know if I'm keeping it, but this seemed a little bit like eyes and a beak, that that was really funny to me. And this is yeah, with pockets and tags. This is really sort of a tag, and I see that it's stuck, so and this is from my Sweet and Tiny, Tiny and Sweet digital thing, digital kit. Also the corners, also from my kit. And here I have room, so you see the Ecolina. This is my very first art book page. So here I took a little bit of a theme, that it's the circus. So here you see the circus, and here you see sort of a bars that I did with scraps. And here you see sort of a Spanish girl, and this is from ads, just that comes into your for free. And I also made holes, so I want to also sew or attach little things onto that. So, and here behind these flaps, this is a trapeze. Here I just put random stuff together. These are scraps with music, people watching. Here children watching in the circus. And here's a drawing that I did. So just a little bit of flowers that I saw in a magazine, in an art magazine. So this is really my first, and this was my second. So this is my Africa page. Here is an elephant, and I put some circles. Here I put sort of a tag dangly thing onto it, also from my Sweet and Small kit. And here I did all sorts of fun stuff, and also sewed all around. Here I used a brown paper bag, and I made faux leather with all sorts of inks, all sorts of colors I used. Let me see, and that was the last page. I really have a lot of room still, and also yeah, I also have an idea for the cover. So this is one of my newest ones, and this is my new one, and I want to work on it some more. And this is also one of my new ones. So yeah, I really love this one. Also, this is washi, by the way. You gotta have some circles, right? Even if you make a little bit of a shabby look. I really love the circles. So yeah, let me know what you think about this, and I will make a video working in my altered book, because first I wanted to get the hang of it a little bit and make some pages, and now yeah, now I really want to work on and make some videos about it. So because sometimes I want a splash of paint and I'm really wild with the colors, but sometimes I just want to make it a little bit more feminine and soft, and even if I use circles and colors still, but you know what I mean, a little bit of shabby chicness going on. So well, this was my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next. And see you then. Thank you. Bye bye. Doei. Doei.